Make their day is one of my favorite of the 4 fish practices. It's always fun to see how simple gestures can really help colleagues feel valued and appreciated. Today I want to share with you a quick fish tip on how you can lead culture change one thank you at a time. Remember the days when it was actually considered rude not to thank someone formally? Maybe I'm showing my age, but I still love this practice and have seen how authentic and prompt thank yous can really make a difference. In fact, they can help you with building trust and improving relationships. We are often so busy with tasks and attending meetings, and I know asking you to do one more thing might make your head explode, but it's worth it, I promise. Think back to the last time when someone actually thanked you for something you did, whether it was at work or in your personal life. I bet it made you feel special and appreciated. And we all want that from our work, don't we? So, how do you make your thank yous meaningful? This is simple. All you have to do is recognize the person for what they did, how they did it, and who they were being while they did that task or activity. I'll share with you how this works. I was in the office working on my computer and I was attempting to organize my crazy, overloaded inbox. And I decided I was going to create some rules. And I won't bore you with all the details, but the result was I accidentally moved all of my emails somewhere else. And needless to say, I was a little stressed. So our IT manager, Richard, came to the rescue. And he was extremely busy and working on another project. But he understood how stressed I was, and he proceeded to calmly assist me in locating my emails. So I threw him a fish. And I wrote on one of our fish thank you cards and announced it to the team. I want to throw a fish out to Richard for being so calm and helpful during a stressful moment. We actually even ring a bell when we do this in our office, when we throw out fish. So that's just a great example. It was really a cool, pleasant surprise to see how much Richard really appreciated this little gesture. In fact, he said, "I love this fish thing." So I love it when fish really works exactly as it's supposed to. All you need to do is practice this way of being daily. So I like to use a little fish, something like this, to accompany my thank yous, but you could do whatever you want, whatever works for your organization. By the way, I'm Danielle Peters, and I'm the Director of Fun at the Training Store. I hope you found this little fish tip interesting and valuable. And if you want to share this way of being with your team, click the link below. Happy fishing!